What's up everyone, I'm Eric with PimpMyGrill.com, where we make cosmetic and functional upgrades for top brand pellet grills. Now after launching our Pimp My Grill slide out rack systems for the Green Mountain Grill line of pellet grills, so many of you reached out asking us to build rack systems for other brand pellet grills. Well, today I'm very excited to announce Pimp My Grill Gen 2 slide out rack systems for the Traeger line of pellet grills. Now, if you haven't seen our slide out rack systems before, stay tuned. We'll show you how they work. Check it out. So that's it for the Pimp My Grill Gen 2 rack systems for the Traeger line of pellet grills. If you're interested in this mod or any others, visit PimpMyGrill.com or visit your local pellet grill dealer, because there's a good chance they have our products there. Thank you, and we'll see you next time with more innovative products for your pellet grills. Take care.